Morning at the park.
Good morning, Elizabeth. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Good morning, Alice. Yes, it is. I love the sunshine. Perfect day for a walk in the park.
Absolutely. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work has been hectic, but I'm managing. I'm glad we could meet today.
Me too. It's always nice to catch up. So, what's new with you?
Well, I've started a new hobby. I'm learning to play the guitar.
That's amazing. How is it going?
It's fun but challenging. My fingers hurt a bit, but I'm getting better each day.
I'd love to hear you play sometime.
I'll need a bit more practice, but sure. How about you? Any new hobbies or projects?
I've started painting again. It's so relaxing.
That's wonderful. What do you like to paint?
Mostly landscapes. I love capturing the beauty of nature.
I'd love to see your work. Maybe you can show me sometime.
Definitely. Maybe next weekend we can have a little art and music session.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Shopping at the mall.
Do you need to buy anything today?
Yes, I need some new clothes for work. How about you?
I need a new pair of shoes and a handbag. Let's start with the clothes shop.
Good idea. Look, there's a sale sign over there. Let's check it out.
They walk into the clothes shop.
These blouses look nice. What do you think?
They're lovely. This blue one would look great on you.
Think so too. I'll try it on. Do you see anything you like?
I like this white dress. It's simple but elegant. I'll try it on.
After trying on the clothes,
The blouse fits perfectly. How about the dress?
The dress fits well too. I really like it. Should I buy it?
Definitely. You look great in it.
Thanks, Alice. I'll get it then.
I'm going to get the blouse too. Let's go to the checkout.
at the checkout.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you. Just these 2 items.
Great. That will be $50 for the dress and $30 for the blouse. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Me too.
Okay, please swipe your cards. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Outside the shop.
That was fun. I love my new dress.
And I love my new blouse. Now let's find that shoe shop.
At the shoe shop.
Look at all these shoes. Where should we start?
Let's start with the flats. I need a comfortable pair for work.
Good idea. These black ones look nice. What do you think?
They're perfect. I'll try them on. Do you need any shoes?
I could use a new pair of sneakers. Let's check out the sports section after this.
Sounds good. Let me see if these flats fit.
Elizabeth tries on the shoes.
These are so comfortable. I think I'll get them.
They look great on you. Let's head to the sports section now.
At the sports section.
These white sneakers are just what I need. I'll try them on.
They look nice. I'm sure they'll be comfortable.
After trying them on, they fit perfectly. I'll take them.
Great. Let's go pay for these.
At the checkout.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did. Just these 2 pairs of shoes.
Wonderful. That will be $60 for the flats and $80 for the sneakers. Will you be paying by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Me too.
Okay, please swipe your cards. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Lunch at a cafe.
All this shopping has made me hungry. Do you want to grab some lunch?
At the cafe.
Hello. Welcome to our cafe. Can I get you something to drink?
There. I'll have an iced tea, please.
And I'll have a lemonade.
Sure. I'll be right back with your drinks. Have you decided what you'd like to eat?
Not yet. Can you give us a few more minutes?
Of course. Take your time.
Waiter leaves.
Everything on the menu looks so good. What are you thinking of getting?
I'm thinking about the grilled chicken salad. Sounds delicious.
That does sound good. I might get the pasta with shrimp.
That's a good choice too. Are you ready to order?
Yes, let's call the waiter.
Waiter returns.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken salad, please.
And I'll have the pasta with shrimp.
Great choices. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Waiter leaves.
I love going out to eat. So relaxing.
Me too. It's nice to take a break and enjoy good food.
And this cafe has such a nice atmosphere.
Yes, it does. I'm glad we came here.
Afternoon at the park.
That was a great lunch. I feel so full.
Me too. The food was amazing. Do you want to take a walk in the park to burn off some calories?
That sounds like a good idea. The park is just across the street. Let's go.
At the park.
So peaceful here. I love the sound of the birds.
Me too. And the flowers are so beautiful. Do you come here often?
Yes, I try to come here at least once a week. It's a great place to relax and think.
I should come here more often. It's really nice.
We can make it a regular thing. How about every Sunday?
That sounds perfect. I'd love that.
Evening at home.
I had such a great time today. Thanks for coming with me.
I had a wonderful time too. Shopping, lunch, and a walk in the park. It was a perfect day.
We should do this more often.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can go to the beach.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's plan for it.
I'm looking forward to it already.
Me too. Have a good evening, Elizabeth.
You too, Alice. See you soon.
At the beach.
Hi, Elizabeth. Ready for a day at the beach?
Hi, Alice. Yes, I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've been to the beach.
Me too. The weather is perfect for it.
Do you have everything you need? Sunscreen, towel, swimsuit?
Yes, I've got everything. Let's find a spot to set up.
They find a spot and set up their towels and umbrella.
This is perfect. I can't wait to go for a swim.
Me too. The water looks so inviting.
Let's put on some sunscreen first. We don't want to get sunburned.
Good idea. Here you can use mine.
They apply sunscreen.
All set. Let's go.
They run into the water and start swimming.
This is so refreshing. The water is perfect.
I know. It feels so good. Let's swim out a bit further.
They swim further out.
Look, there's a group of fish swimming by. They're so colorful.
Wow, that's beautiful. I'm so glad we came here.
Lunch on the beach.
Swimming has made me hungry. Do you want to eat now?
Yes, I'm starving. Let's go back to our spot and have our lunch.
They go back to their spot and take out their lunch.
I brought sandwiches and fruit. What did you bring?
I brought a salad and some chips. Let's share.
Great idea. Here, have a sandwich.
Thanks. Here, have some salad.
They eat their lunch.
This is so nice. Eating lunch on the beach is the best.
I agree. The sound of the waves is so calming.
And the food tastes even better out here.
Yes, it does. We should do this more often.
Afternoon activities.
What do you want to do next? We could go for a walk along the beach or build a sandcastle.
Both sound fun. Let's start with a walk.
Okay, let's go. The beach is so beautiful.
They walk along the beach.
Look at all the seashells. Let's collect some.
Good idea. We can make a necklace or a decoration with them.
They collect seashells as they walk.
We found so many. This is going to be fun.
Let's head back and build that sandcastle now.
They go back to their spot and start building a sandcastle.
This is turning out great. We should add a moat.
Yes, and maybe a flag on top. Do you have a stick?
I found one here. Let's use this.
Perfect. Our sandcastle looks amazing.
It does. We did a great job.
Sunset on the beach.
The sun is starting to set. It's so beautiful.
Yes, it is. The sky is turning all these amazing colors.
Let's sit and watch the sunset. It's the perfect end to a perfect day.
I agree. This has been such a wonderful day.
We should definitely come back here soon.
Definitely. I had so much fun.
Me too. Thanks for coming with me, Elizabeth.
Thank you, Alice. Let's plan our next beach day soon.
Yes, let's. Have a good evening, Elizabeth.
You too, Alice. See you soon.
They watch the sunset together, enjoying the peaceful end to their day at the beach. Planning a trip.
Hey, Elizabeth. Do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
I was thinking we could go on a little trip. Maybe visit a nearby city?
That sounds like a great idea. Where do you have in mind?
How about the city we talked about last time? They have a beautiful park and a nice downtown area.
Yes, I remember. I've always wanted to visit that city. Let's do it.
Great. We can leave early Saturday morning and spend the whole day exploring.
Perfect. I'll start looking up things to do and places to eat.
I'll check for any events or festivals happening there. This is going to be fun.
Preparing for the trip.
I found a list of interesting places to visit in the city. There's a museum, a botanical garden, and a famous restaurant.
That sounds great. I found a music festival happening on Saturday evening. We should check it out.
Awesome. Let's plan our day. We can start with the museum in the morning, then the botanical garden in the afternoon, and end with the music festival.
Sounds like a perfect plan. I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's make a list of things to pack. We'll need comfortable shoes, a camera, and maybe a picnic blanket for the garden.
Good idea. I'll also bring some snacks and water. It's going to be a long day.